So today I'm going to show you how to convert a PDF like this one into a clean Excel table like this. So to start, if you don't have a Lido account, go to www.lido.app and enter your email and create a new account here for free. Then go to a new tab, go to the PDF data extractor. Click here, upload your PDF. You can upload multiple at a time, but I'm just going to do one to start. And so now you'll see that some of the extracted column names have been automatically generated. You can change these around as well. So say, you want also the purchase order number, and you don't care about the item description, for example. So that's how you add additional columns to extract. And then if there's special instructions you want to give, like for example, there's my invoice number, but my PO number is always found in the table, for example. Purchase order number is found in the table under section and comes in the format and does not include the art number, for example. Once you've got all the instructions in there, then just hit extract. And the AI will do all of the work to pull out the relevant data points. And there we go. And if, quite right, this in my case it does, then you can come back here, add some additional instructions, reset the file, and then hit extract again. Or if it does look good, you can upload a lot more documents here as well. And so then once everything's here, come here, export values to Excel, and you'll just get an Excel sheet in your downloads folder.